Tonight on the Future of Everything, we've got 3i Atlas updates and maybe even our best shot yet to clearly see the third interstellar object ever detected passing through our solar system. But let's just rewind real fast for a second here, because this thing has been on our radar only for about a few months since then.
After years of predictions, calculations, and anticipation, it's finally happening. An object from beyond our solar system has arrived, and astronomers around the world are watching closely. This visitor is called 3i/ATLAS, and it represents something humanity has only recently become capable of detecting. It is not from our sun's neighborhood. It did not form alongside the planets we know. It came from deep interstellar space, carrying with it clues from another star system. If you enjoy calm, clear explanations of real space discoveries as they unfold, make sure you subscribe to Deep Space, where we break down what's happening beyond Earth and explain why it matters. Why 3i/ATLAS is such a big deal. 3i/ATLAS is only the third confirmed interstellar object ever observed passing through our solar system. For decades, scientists believed these visitors must exist, but they remained purely theoretical. Space between stars is unimaginably vast, and objects traveling through it are small, dark, and fast. Detecting one requires timing, precision, and powerful survey systems scanning the sky continuously. The discovery of 3i/ATLAS confirms that our solar system is not isolated. It exists within a dynamic galaxy where material moves between stars. This object did not originate here, yet here it is, passing briefly through our cosmic neighborhood before continuing its journey back into interstellar space. What makes this moment special is not just the object itself, but the fact that humanity now has the tools to recognize it for what it is.
Let's talk instead about a mystery interstellar object that was spotted by astronomers last week. It could be the oldest comet ever seen. It's only the third time that we've actually detected an object that has come from beyond our solar system.
What interstellar really means to understand why 3i/ATLAS matters, we need to understand what interstellar actually means. Most objects we observe, planets, asteroids, comets, are bound to the sun by gravity. They form from the same cloud of gas and dust that created our solar system. Interstellar objects are different. They form around other stars. At some point, gravitational interactions, perhaps with giant planets or nearby stars, eject them from their home systems. Once free, they drift through the galaxy for millions or even billions of years, traveling between stars in near total darkness. 3i/ATLAS is one of these wanderers. It likely formed around a star that may no longer even exist. How 3i/ATLAS was discovered. 3i/ATLAS was detected by the ATLAS survey system, designed to scan the sky for near-Earth objects. These systems are built to protect our planet, but they also serve another purpose: discovering rare objects that don't behave like anything native to our solar system. What immediately caught astronomers' attention was the object's speed and trajectory. 3i/ATLAS was moving too fast to be gravitationally bound to the sun. Its path through the solar system did not match the orbit of an asteroid or a comet formed here. Once calculations were complete, the conclusion was unavoidable. This object came from interstellar space. At that moment, 3i/ATLAS joined an extremely exclusive category. What makes 3i/ATLAS different? Every interstellar object observed so far has been different. Some showed comet-like behavior. Others appeared more asteroid-like. 3i/ATLAS adds another data point, helping scientists understand how diverse these visitors can be. Early observations suggest unusual brightness changes and motion that do not perfectly match known models. This does not mean something mysterious or unnatural. It means our models are still evolving. Interstellar objects likely form under conditions very different from those in our solar system, and their behavior reflects that. Each new observation refines our understanding of how planetary systems form and evolve across the galaxy.
They claim the James Webb Space Telescope spotted a large object about 10 light years away moving toward Earth.
Why scientists are racing against time? Interstellar objects do not stay. They pass through once and then disappear forever. 3i/ATLAS is already on its way out of the solar system. That makes observation time extremely limited. Telescopes around the world are now focused on collecting as much data as possible, measuring its speed, rotation, brightness, and composition. Every hour matters. Once the object leaves, there will be no second chance. This urgency is why discoveries like this generate so much scientific attention, even if they don't dominate headlines. What 3I/ATLAS can teach us. 3I/ATLAS is more than a curiosity. It is a physical sample at a distance of material formed around another star. Studying it helps scientists answer fundamental questions. How common are planetary systems? How often are objects ejected into interstellar space? What materials are shared across the galaxy? These answers help place our solar system into a broader cosmic context. They also help refine models of planet formation, migration, and long-term stability. Connections to our own solar system. By comparing interstellar objects to asteroids and comets from our own system, scientists can identify similarities and differences. This comparison helps explain why our planets ended up where they are and how common Earth-like systems might be. Some theories suggest that interstellar objects may even deliver material between star systems over cosmic timescales. While highly speculative, this idea highlights just how interconnected the galaxy may be. 3I/ATLAS adds real data to these discussions. Why we're only seeing this now? The reason interstellar objects were not detected earlier is simple: technology. Until recently, we lacked wide-field surveys sensitive enough to spot fast-moving faint objects against the background of space. Modern survey systems now scan the entire sky repeatedly, allowing astronomers to notice when something doesn't behave as expected. This capability marks a turning point. The discovery of 3I/ATLAS suggests that many more interstellar objects may pass through our solar system unnoticed, unless we are watching. Now we are watching. What this means for the future 3I/ATLAS is not the end of the story. It is the beginning of a new era in astronomy. As detection systems improve, scientists expect to find more interstellar visitors and to detect them earlier. Future discoveries may allow longer observation periods, better data, and perhaps even missions designed to intercept or study these objects up close. Each detection improves our readiness for the next one.
Right now, a fleet of NASA spacecraft are turning their attention to an unusual object speeding through our solar system.
Why this moment matters. This discovery reminds us that our solar system is part of a much larger, active galaxy. Objects move between stars. Material travels vast distances. And occasionally, something from far away passes close enough for us to notice. 3I/ATLAS is one of those moments. A brief encounter with something truly foreign, yet governed by the same physical laws that shaped our own world. Outro. 3I/ATLAS is finally here, and for a short time, we get to observe a visitor from another star system as it passes through our cosmic neighborhood. Moments like this remind us how much there still is to learn about the universe and our place within it. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more calm, science-based space content, make sure you subscribe to Deep Space. We'll find the full video link in the description. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.